first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Today we're going to be working on a Kenmore model. This Kenmore is made by Whirlpool, and the problem that we have in it that it's not coming on at all. The model number is on the display, and this is going to be a very simple repair. When we open the door on the dryer, there's the model number again, we notice that the light stays on, which does an indication that the door switch is bad. So we're gonna go ahead and verify it, and if that's what it is, we're gonna go ahead and replace the door switch. This is the brand new door switch for this model. Now you're gonna go ahead and grab a putty knife, and you're gonna go ahead and release the tab to be able to lift the top panel. You're gonna go ahead and stick the putty knife there. Try to push it towards you as well to help you out. As you see right there, when you press it down, it releases the top cover. Now just use a little screwdriver to release the harness. It has little tabs on the two sides of the harness. When you release them, it will come right out. Now you can see the lid switch is all wiggling and all loose. That's an indication that the lid switch is bad. We're gonna go ahead and remove the two screws and try to hold it with your fingers, because otherwise it's just gonna fail and it's gonna go down. If you don't want to take the whole dryer apart, you better hold it either from the tip or from the other side. That way it doesn't fail and it goes down to the dryer. You don't want to leave the old switch inside the dryer, so you would have to disassemble the whole dryer to be able to get that door switch out of there. This is the old switch compared to the new switch. It's basically the same thing. This is the new kind, which it brings 3 wires. The old kind, it only brings 2 wires. Now just sit it in place and reinstall the 2 screws that secures the lid switch, the door switch, in place. Try to start it with your fingers, and then you can use a screwdriver or your drill. Try not to over tighten it, because it can strip, and then you're gonna have to use another door switch. As I was saying, start it with your fingers, then use the drill or screwdriver. It's a little complicated for me because I cannot lift the whole top cover up, and the dryer is sitting on sort of a platform. As you see, it's coming on and off now. That means it's working fine. I know you see that I didn't disconnect the dryer or the breaker on this repair because I have a very tight spot, but I will suggest for you guys to to turn off the breaker, or turn off or pull the dryer out and disconnect it on the back. Now we installed the lint trap, and as you see, it's working. When you release it, it turns off, the light turns on and off. We pretty much done on this repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. There you have it. That's how it looks when it's bad. And when I have tension like the new one. So the first thing you check is the door switch when the dryer's not coming on at all. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.